Adele here, and welcome to day 15 of the 30-day business challenge. Today, we are going to go over how to create a YouTube banner. Previous video before this was why it's important to be the face of your brand, and now people need to get to know you. This is also a way to sell your product, your services, sell you as an individual, as you being the brand as well. So we're just going to get straight into it. We're in my favorite place, which is Canva. And the first thing we're going to look up is YouTube banner. Okay. You're going to scroll down, find the one that fits you. You can also be specific, like a YouTube beauty banner, YouTube influencer banner, YouTube travel banner. It's kind of endless, the possibilities you have for this. So I'm just going to choose a random banner and then go from there. Y'all already know that my banner is created, so I don't really need to do too much. But I'm just going to create a funky one, a little wild one. Okay. So we clicked on Morgan, whoever this person is. So I'm literally going to change it to my name. I want to change it to my brand colors, right? Oops. I'm also going to change that to like a gray. What is it? This one. Boom. Okay. Whatever you need to advertise at the moment or at the time. Sorry, it won't go away. Yeah. Like your website. I am DelJanae.com. You can put how many times a week you upload. So upload every Wednesday. Yeah. At 8 p.m. CST. That gives people an idea of what time you actually upload. And then I'm going to look up subscribe buttons. Oops. And that's an element. Excuse me. So subscribe button. So you can play around with these. You can grab this, make it smaller, right? Or find one that you actually like that has like and subscribe. It's telling people the action that you want them to utilize or use. So I want to delete that one. You can change this backdrop here. It doesn't have to be black. You can change that to white. Let's see. I'm going to click here. Boom. But just know that whatever elements you have here, you see there's elements still there. Make sure you get rid of them ahead of time, or you can change them to a different color. So up here, change that to black. Let's say it's also good to put what you are or what you're going to be talking about content-wise. Business goals, travel, lifestyle, something like that. So I'm just putting random things. And you can make sure you line it up. Okay. When you feel that it's to your liking, then you would click share, download. We can leave it at PNG, and then you'll click download again. Okay. That'll save to your folder. Let me also remind everyone, make sure you are using your brand colors. And if you are the face of your brand, make sure you are putting your face on your banner. If you're not the face of your brand, you don't always have to put your face on the banner, but you need to make sure your face is being used as your actual YouTube picture. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by that, okay? But when I look at your banner, I should know what you do, who you are, what your content is related to, okay? So also as a reminder, with YouTube banners, there are 3 views for this, okay? The view for your TV, which is the outer part here, the view for your desktop, which is going to be the sides here, and in the middle is for all devices. You do want to make sure that your banner looks good in all views, okay? This is the main part right here. The all devices part is what most of these banners pay attention to. And but it's usually desktop and all devices is what it looks good on. But I'm going to show you an example of a few people and what their banners look like. As a reminder, your banner should be 2,560 by 1,440 pixels. Okay, that's how big it needs to be. You can also find a little outline template on Google and put that in Canva as well, and then make your banner according to this template so that you can check off all boxes. Okay, so we are going to go to YouTube next, and I'm going to show you where you should upload your banner. So when you come to the main page of YouTube in your channel, while you're logged in within your channel, you're going to click this camera here, and then you're going to scroll down to where it says banner image, and you're going to click change or remove. Okay, you don't really want to remove it, you just want to change it. Hold on. So let me do that one more time. You're going to go where it says banner image. You're going to click change, and then it's going to open up your file folder, and that is where you will add your banner from. Okay. Now going back to this main page here, as you can see, my picture is of me, and then you see my image again, and it shows I do food, travel, motivation, and lifestyle. It also has my name. Okay. It tells you my Instagram, and then it gives you the action to subscribe and then hit that notification bell. Okay. Very simple, very straightforward and to the point. Now, what I also wanted to remind people of, let me see if I can zoom in on this one. So, hold on, fam. All right. Here we go. When you zoom in, that is how the TV is going to look in the backdrop there in the bottom. You see right here. This is what it's going to look like on my laptop. And then this small corner is supposed to be a phone. I'm trying to zoom in without it looking weird. There we go. You just literally see my name. I am Adele Janae. And then it's just cut off. So you just see this piece of greenery here, but you still see my name on there. So you know it's my channel. So please keep that in mind while you're making these banners. Please, please, please. So I'm going to now go through a few options of what people's banners look like. First, I'm going to do trade and travel. Okay. Her banner is very simple. It has her brand colors. She's teaching you about trading and traveling. So the time to learn and earn is now. She is also the face of her brand, and she's telling you to turn on the notifications bell and to subscribe. So she's giving you an action, okay? The next person we're going to go over really quick is Myron Golden. He is the face of his brand. When you click on his channel, he's advertising his Make More Offers challenge. He gives the date and then the website. This is also a good way to advertise your products, your services. If you offer coaching, if you offer a book, an ebook, because when people are looking for you or searching for you, they can see that you're offering something. So this is a great way to advertise for yourself, okay? Another banner that I like that's very simple. So Jackie Ina, she is her face of her brand. Her banner is very clean. Also has her brand colors. It also has, she is her brand, and then she has a picture of herself within her banner, okay? So let's do more. Sorry for the noise in the background. Okay. So, sorry, I'm waiting for them to leave. So ASMR Twix, she's the face of her brand, okay? She does ASMR videos and content, but her banner is very simple, straightforward, to the point. It is her name, and then she tells you she's doing new videos every week, okay? Another one, let's do this. So NYX Cosmetics, I'm going to mute this because I think, okay. Their banner was for the Super Bowl. They had a Super Bowl commercial. And then they used that same thing to change their actual picture. Let's do one more. Let's do, just going to do a random person. So gaming one. So this one, he does games, but his banner is his name and, you know, some artwork that people have drawn for him or that he's drawn for himself, one or the other. But you get the point that he has his Twitter or X on there, and Facebook, and his name. So Dashy Games. And let me see if there is one more. Let's do this one. This will be the last one, but you guys get the point. He is the face of his brand, okay? And he was advertising his Growth Con, and he is once again the face of his brand. But this is his brand colors. All of that is combined. So you get it. 10X Growth Conference 2024. And that's what he was advertising. Okay, so you're either going to see sleek, straightforward, to the point, or simple banners. They're using it as advertising, or they're using it as to let you know when they're streaming, how many times a week they're streaming, giving you actions to like or subscribe, put the notification bell on. So when I tell you don't overcomplicate these banners, the point is to make sure you have your brand colors in there and to literally just put it up. Okay. The next thing we will be going over is how to set up your YouTube channel. So we'll have the banners first. So that's checked, that's covered. That's simple. You should know how to do that. And next we will be going over how to post a YouTube video. So this has been day 15 of the 30-day business challenge, and you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day and a great weekend. But we will be back again tomorrow. Bye.